update data using View in a SQL Server. Updating data via View will update table, modify data through a view. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of SQL Guide. In this content, we'll discuss how to insert, delete and update table using View. You cannot delete a row if the view reference more than one base table. You can only update a columns that belong to a single base table. You can insert and update only one base table via view. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss SQL Server interesting video. Let's connect with SQL Server Management Studio to show you how to update, insert and delete data through a view. How to update table data through a view I am going to show. So this is the view human resources v implied department history. I am going to update two column start date and end date of this view v implied department history, and this is the condition. Let's check the data. Human resources we imply date, department history and condition last name and a first name. Let's run it. So this is the business entity ID 138 and column start date and end date, which I am going to be update. So end date will get update with get date and start date will update with this value 2011 0203. So this is the view human resources we imply department history, and this is the column I am going to update, and this column belong to this table human resources imply department history. So from this view I am going to be update this table column start date and end date. You can only update columns that belong to a single base table. You can insert update only one base table via view. So I am going to update only one base table, which is human resources implied department history and column start date and end date, which belong to human resources implied department history. So let's run this command. You can see update done. Now you can verify your data here. Just let's run this view and see the column here update as same value, and this is the current date. Let's check the base table data. So this is the base table which I updated via view. Let's check the base table data. So you can see base table data updated and here in date with current date. So if you want to update another table, for example group name of table department, let's try you are able to update or not. So this is the column name and I added here group name equal to AA. Let's run it. You see here you receive the error saying that this view is not updatable because the modification affect multiple base table. So already I told you you can only update a column that belong to a single base table, but this column is belong to not a single base table, but it belong to another table, which is the department. This region that update has failed. Let's try to insert data through a view. So this is the view and department and group name, and this is the value I am going to update. So department and group name belong to one single table, which is department. This is the group name and name. So insert will you can insert the data because its column belong to only one base table. Let's try to insert the data. You can see I have inserted data via view. Let's check the data. So this is the base table where I inserted data via view, human resources departments. Let's run it and go to last. You can see here this my department and my group got inserted. So this is the way you can insert the data also via view. Let's try to delete the data from view. Human resources v dot imply department history, and this is the condition. Let's try it. You see the message, it's not got success. Region that's view containing multiple table. You can delete row if the view reference more than one base table. You cannot delete a row if the view reference more than one base table. That's why reason this delete got failed, because this view is containing many reference table like employee, person, and implied department history. But if view contain only one this table, then you can able to delete that data via view also.